Okay, I got my trial copy of, I use Chief Architect Premiere, but for these tutorials, sometimes I'll use the trial versions of the Home Designer. And I got 2023 Home Designer Pro open, and I created a rectangular box here. And let me show you. See, I think that's what you want. It's called a Norman roof. And they used to have a tutorial to show you how to do this, but I looked on the Home Designer website and it's not there anymore. Or maybe it's there by a different name. I'm going to turn the color off and change the camera type to a vector view so you can more clearly see this. I think that's what you want. It's a gable roof with little doodads up here. And so this little test model I made, the ceiling height of the first floor is set to 9 feet. And so the main roof planes are going to build at that level. And what I'm going to do is go over here to edit, delete objects, and I'm going to delete the roof planes and start and show you how I did it. And delete the roof planes. Okay, so what I did is I drew this rectangle and I selected this wall and opened the group dialog box. And go to the roof tab. And I set them to full gable walls. Plus, let me just uncheck this and I'll show you step by step. And then we'll put it back on auto build roofs. I took it off. Okay, so now we have just a gable roof. Okay, I'm going to go Shift F6 to tile the screens now so you can see this change in real time. Now I'm going to select this wall and this wall in plan view, open them up, and go to the roof tab again. I'm going to check upper pitch. And I'm going to change the upper pitch. I wanted it double the angle of the main roofs, 12. See, these are 612, and I want these roofs 1212. And I don't want them at the same height of the lower roof planes. I want them at a higher height. And you can trial and error figure out the height, but this is how I created what you saw before. And that then automatically gives you these Norman roof triangles. Hope that makes sense to you and that it's a help to you. Let me change the camera type. Where's that icon? Oh, I need to click on this screen. Yeah, there we go. And then click on this and make it a vector view and turn the color off so you can see the lines more clearly, especially in the trial version. You got that text there. But I think that's what you want. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps you, whether it did or not. Make it a great day. Thank you.